What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So Harley-Davidson has just released their new 135 cubic inch crate motor. I'll show you some B-roll while I give you some of the highlights. The 135 makes 143 foot-pounds of rear wheel torque at 3,500 RPMs and 130 rear wheel horsepower at 5,500 RPMs. Approximately 28% more torque, 41% more horsepower than a production 117. The crate engine is intended for bolt-on installation in an original equipment style 21 or later Harley touring chassis, but does not fit the trike models. The engine's backed up by a 2-year manufacturer's warranty when dealer installed through the custom coverage program. MSRP on this thing is going to be $7,999, and it's going to be offered in black or chrome finish. 2 versions of the engine will be offered. So 143 torque, 130 horsepower. That's with all Harley-Davidson parts. They have to be compliant of emissions. So if you were to tweak things, say the cam that comes in this, which I'll throw all the specs up on the screen now so you can kind of see everything that it comes with. If you change the cam, you change the exhaust, and you change the tuner, you could make a lot more power with this engine. I am 100% sure of that. Again, you won't be compliant, so people that live in California or areas where that's a big issue, this is a good option for you because it keeps you legal. But for those of us that live in the Wild West, like where I'm at in South Carolina, where they don't really care what you do, you could probably crank this thing to the moon, and I'm really excited to see somebody do that and see what kind of numbers this 135 puts out. That's going to be it for this one, guys. Short, sweet, to the point. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.